Yo, what's good, Poke fam? We back again, once again on the Poke Dares channel. Y'all know what time it is. Pack a day, 4 years straight. Day number 291, and we keeping that streak alive to 365. You dig? And you already know, headache pack itself. Chase of the 2 Charizards, really the SIR, but we'll take that goal on itself. Phantasm Flame, man. I think we're gonna pull it, family. I got faith. We're gonna pull this Charizard eventually. Let's get to it though. But before we do that, our slogan. Let's go with should we go with Heracross or should we go with Charizard? Which one y'all? Let's see. Let's go with Heracross today, and then we'll do Charizard tomorrow. So let's get to it. If you're new to the space of the Poke Dares channel, gaming, vlogging, streaming, pack openings, pack battles, unboxing, news, reviews, streaming, gaming, all that great stuff, entertainment, hit that like button. Show your support. Hit that share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. The Poke Dares channel, we live direct, family. Appreciate all the love and support. It is. And to all my relatives that been here since the beginning, to all my Poke cousins, hey, what's goody, what's good? Hit that like button. This content is free and it don't cost you nothing. Let's get to it, family. Let's go. Man, I almost stumbled up on the words right there. That was that good lemonade right there. Fire lemonade real quick. Excuse me. Okay, QR code for the family. Fam bam, thank you ma'am. Gone. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here today. Move that over. Let's go. We got a Dermaka. I think that's how you pronounce that. We got a Bronzor. Okay. We got Dugong. Alright. We got a Ghastly. Okay. We got the jumbo ice cream. I do. That's nice. I like to have that right now. Pause. You know what I'm saying? It was a nice warm day over here in Ohio. So that'd be nice. We got a Glisor. I think that's how you pronounce that. Put it in the chat if I messed up the name. Botching it. Externius. Nice. I actually like this Pokemon. It's got actually like a dragon, more like a dragon type right there too. That's fire as well. Okay, we got this Dermatanian. I think that's how you pronounce that. We botching the names. We got a Piplup. All right, and
Told you. You ain't tell me shit.
Ampon. So we didn't get nothing to basic fire energy, family. Nothing in 291. It's all right. Hey, you win some, you lose some. We gonna get this Charizard, family. We gonna get this Charizard. We'll give y'all a little bit of the binder update. We don't get nothing to put in the binder today, but if y'all want to be part of the giveaway binder right here, all this great stuff, I'll show you that right there. All you gotta do is hit the like, share, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, just hit a like button, comment on any one of the videos, shorts, or streams. Let me know, and I'll add you to the giveaway. And if you're already part of the family, just like and comment on one of the videos or streams or even shorts, and that's how you be part of the giveaway. So you see that nitrate closet right there, family. So hit that like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate all the love and support. Till next time, family. Gotta collect them all. Hey, gotta catch them all. PSA 10. You already know how we do. Appreciate all the support, family. Till next time. Peace.